night attack on the Italian fleet in Taranto Harbour. Just go north to south. Something number 64, the 24 so flagship. And then a rumble CF-109, XW-190. Against them. Now, the Mustang. Thus to the United States Army Air Force. To the aircraft type, who's supposed to represent the Fighter Command. Represented in this country. Of the P-51D variant with the bubble canopy, but in case of the high-backed P-51B, this for better all-round visibility, and indeed, the distinction of the P-51D is enhanced still further because it was built in greater quantities than all the other versions of the Mustang combined. Some 7,956 versions of the, for example, of the diesel. Have a grand total of 14,819. Distinctive layout, as you see in profile here, the chin radiators under the spinners became the previous one. Mudgings, in fact, had been Mudging earned its German nickname, and first